Hello everyone. So do you want to run a local AI model which will help you to do multiple tasks? Like you can do coding, you can summarize your text, you can write email, you can do interactive chat, you can create chatbots and everything. So this is one model which can help you to do tasks in multiple scopes. So it is useful in multiple departments, whatever you want to use it for. So we are talking about Llama, which has been developed by Meta AI, which is the parent company of Facebook. So I think you must have heard that name, Meta AI. I have already written this blog post on how to run Llama 3 locally using Ollama, and basically we'll go through it. So Llama 3 is developed by Meta AI. As I told you before, this is a parent company of Facebook, and which is related to Mark Zuckerberg, and it is one of the most powerful open source language models available today. So what it can do, it can assist you with programming, it can do a question answer session with you, it can summarize your information. So basically you can give it a long text and it can basically summarize it, and it can also help you with research tasks. So you can do some research things also with Llama, but that depends on the parameter of the model that you're using. So we'll discuss about that later. So instead of relying on ChatGPTs or Anthropic like Claude AI, which needs some money from your side, you need to buy some subscription plan and then use it. You can use this Llama 3 as a multi-purpose local AI model. So in this guide, we are going to explain that. So there are some prerequisites for this Llama 3 to use it locally. First thing is what Ollama should be installed. So I've already written this blog post. Either you can go here, or I have a detailed video for any of the operating system which you're using, either Windows, Mac or Linux. You can go through it and basically see my videos there. Now, what are the system requirement? So basically for running a AI model locally, there are somewhat higher requirements. So the minimum is 8 GB RAM, modern CPU and 10 GB of free disk space and internet connection. So this is only required for downloading the model. Once the model is downloaded, then there is no use of this internet. And the recommended setup is what? Having a 16 GB RAM, SSD storage and GPU support, because it will be helpful to get the response in a fast manner. So once the model is downloaded, everything runs fully offline. So you can use it below 8 GB RAM also, but that is the recommended one. So now, what is Llama? It is created by Meta AI. It can help you to create AI chatbots, coding assistant, content generation, research assistance, and documentation summarization. So you can think of it like a multi-purpose model which can do many things for you. So if the Ollama is already installed, then there is a single command to run this model. Basically this will automatically download it also, and basically then a chat interface will come, and from the next time you can just use that model to do anything. So this is Ollama run Llama 3 8 billion parameter. So 8 billion parameter is like how much parameter it can handle, so how much more complex tasks it can do. I'm not going to the detail of the parameter thing, but this is the smaller model or the default model when you use Ollama run Llama 3. So this is the default model which gets downloaded. So let's go to our terminal here and let's first see like what are the models which are already present. So you can see here that I don't have any model on my machine, so it is empty. So name, ID, size and modified is empty here. I don't have any models downloaded. Now let's run this command. So I'll just copy it from here. You can also copy from this blog post and then just paste it here and hit enter. So now what it is doing, it is pulling the manifest, which is some file, and then it is pulling it from the internet. So what you are seeing, it is a 4.7 GB size model, and the current speed at which I'm downloading is 19 Mbps, which is going to take 3 minutes and 38 seconds. So what it does, it goes to the internet, downloads the model on your local machine. So if you have Ollama, so there is a directory where it stores the model which you have downloaded. So you can store multiple models. There can be 5 or 10 models, whatever you want. You can download for Ollama and then it will be stored on your local computer. And once you use the Ollama run command with that model name, so what it will do, it will load the model to your GPU or to your RAM based on what you're having, and then you can interact with it. So it is already 21% downloaded. So let's go to our blog post again here. So Llama 3 8 billion model is the lightweight enough to run most modern laptop while still providing strong AI capabilities. So this is a small model. It is useful, but not for everything. Like not for higher research task or something, but yeah, you can do most of the things out of it. So once it is downloaded, the step 2 is like chat with Llama 3. So once it is downloaded, I will show you how we can chat it. Let's see what is the current progress. It is 34%. So you can see that the downloading is complete. So it has already downloaded the 4.7 GB file of the model. And now what it is doing, it is verifying the SHA 256 digits so that it is correct or not, and then writing the manifest, and then it is a success. Now what is happening here, if you're seeing there's a loading icon going on, so what it is doing is like it is loading the model on your GPU. So since I am having a 6 GB GPU on my machine, so that's why it is loading it there. In your case, it may be the RAM or it may be the GPU. So since this is first time, so it can take some time to load it. Once it is loaded, then you will get a prompt to basically do a question answer with this model. Okay, so it is a success loading of the model, and then it is just saying there's 3 arrow and then send a message. So let's go to our blog post, and here you can see chat with Llama 3. So there are 3 arrows and then you can do something here. So now let's say first send a simple message, that is hi. So what it is going to say is it is giving me a response. Hi, it's nice to meet you. Is there something I can help you with, or would you like to chat? So let's not answer that. Let's copy with this one. So I'll just copy explain artificial intelligence in simple terms. So let's hit enter and see, it is very fast since it is running locally. So it is very fast. So it is saying artificial intelligence is like a super smart computer program that can think and learn like a human. Here is a simple breakdown. So you can go into the details of that, like whatever it is being written. So you can see like how better it is writing. It is giving you a markdown formatted file, which you can just copy paste and upload on your blog post also or anywhere. So this is very cool. So why it is important? There are two main types of AI and everything. So it has written everything. So this is the step 2, that is chat with Llama 3. Now use Llama 3 with open Ollama API. So since your Ollama is running or on localhost 11434, so you can just use this curl command called the Llama. So I'll just open my terminal here on the right side, the second prompt. And what I'm doing is this is running on my some local machine. So that's why it is not localhost, it is a IP address. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it, and I am just going to do a change. So because I'm running it on my older machine, so there's already a video on this one. I'll just give it in the link that how to run your Llama model isolated on your local machine, some old machine, and then you can access it over the network. So my IP address is 192.168.0.114. So this is my local machine IP address where my Ollama server is running. For you, it may be your local host, so you can use the local host. I'll hit enter and you can see Llama 3 model not found. Okay, so let's come here. I'll do exit. Okay, so 1 minute. So it is saying you need to use by. So I'll use by, and then I'll again say Ollama list. So it is going to say what the name of the model is, Llama 3 8 billion. So I'm going to copy it and I will come here again and then just put it here, model, and hit enter. So now this time you're saying it is giving you some response. So you can see that it is giving you the response in chunks, and that's why when you see here also, so basically you see that it is being written one, like small chunk of text is written one by one. So you can see it is writing recommended action system done, personalized recommendation. So basically it is very small responses that is coming from the model. It is streaming response and it is being written there. So this is like the second part, that how to use it using Ollama API from the curl command. Now, if you use this API, you can do many things. You can create a chatbot, you can develop assistants, you can do automation tool and document summarization tool. So, but you need to do some parsing over here and then show it on your screen. Now, the third thing is what? Use Ollama 3 with Python. So you can also use Python to basically call the Ollama model and basically use it. So I'm not going to show it. You can just copy paste this command and basically run it. So I'll update it here with Llama 3 8 billion. If you go to the blog post later, so you can use the Llama 3 8 billion and it is going to work, because on my local, if you see, the name of the model is Llama 3 8 billion because we downloaded it in that way. So now you can just copy paste this inside a Python file and run it and it will give you the response. Now there are some frequently asked questions. Can Llama 3 run locally? Yes, it can run locally. We have just seen it. Is Ollama free? Yes, it is completely free. How much RAM is required for Llama 3? So minimum 8 GB RAM, but 16 GB RAM is recommended for better performance. Can Llama 3 run without GPU? Yes, Llama 3 can run on CPU also, but performance improves significantly when you're using the GPU. Now, there are some references, and you can see these are some of the related YouTube videos which I've already uh, attached it here, that how to install Ollama on Ubuntu, on Mac, on Windows. So this will help you to fulfill your prerequisite. So I think you have understood like how we can run the Llama 3 8 billion parameter model locally on your machine and use it for anything. So now it's up to you like how you're going to use it. So I've already given the API route, that is this one, localhost 11434, which is the default model, and basically you can use it for anything. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like my channel. Please subscribe to it and share these videos with other people. Thank you.